Hello there! What if you would have a great presentation tool which would make it easy to create and edit your own presentations? Seidat is a platform that brings your presentations to life. Now I will show you how it works. Okay, we are on the dashboard right now. Let's say that we want to create a new presentation. We can use an existing presentation as a template for the new one by clicking Duplicate Presentation. Now, let's give a name for the presentation and open it. We can see that there is already all the slides from the presentation that we copied. Now we need to do only some small adjustments. For example, let's edit some text in a slide. We can also add a picture if we want to. Okay, let's go back to the presentation, and now we can delete some slides that we don't need and change the order by dragging the slides. And we can also use a slide bank. Slide bank allows us to bring any slides from any presentation. We just click Add from Slide Bank and choose the slide we want to use. This mark means that the slide is a smart slide. So all the edits we make in a smart slide, the same edits would happen in every presentation where the same smart slide is used. Now, when we have made all the necessary adjustments that we wanted to, and the presentation is ready, we can send it for the people that we want to by clicking Share Presentation. In addition of this, there's a lot of different kind of features in Seidat which will help you to take your presentations to the next level. If you want to find out more about us, go to seidat.com and start your free trial today.